Hello, my dear children and parents. Welcome to Indus Valley Public School RAT e-learning classes. Class 9th, where we will do revision of lesson number 7 from your Beehive book. And the name of the lesson is Packing, written by Jerome K. Jerome. Children, in this lesson, we are going to study about a very simple thing, packing. But how difficult it was for the three friends. Let's see how it is done by them. Packing is a story about three friends who are getting ready to go for a journey. It follows the packing session of three friends, Jerome, Harris, and George. This story is an extract taken from Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. Here, Jerome is the narrator himself and writes about the experience he has while his friends decide to start packing. Further, it takes us on a hilarious ride about three adults who struggle to do a basic thing as packing. Packing summary will take you through the nuisance they experience in addition to their dog Montmorency contribution. Similarly, it also shows how his other two friends are not that great when it comes to packing. Okay, so all the three friends are sailing on the same boat in terms of packing. मतलब तीनों friends एक जैसे ही थे packing के term में. The author and his friends decided to go on holiday. The author thought he was an expert in packing. He told his friends George and Harris that he would do the packing. They at once agreed to his suggestion. George put on a pipe and sat in an easy chair. Harris put his legs on a table and lit a cigar. The author had not intended this. He was unhappy with himself for having offered to pack. He had thought that Harris and George would pack and he would boss over them. When he worked, and the people around him relaxed, he was greatly irritated at that time. He could not sit still and see others working. He enjoyed getting up and supervising their work. तो उसे खाली बैठना भी नहीं अच्छा लगता था, ना ही उसके सामने कोई बैठा खाली उसे पसंद था. उसे क्या करना पसंद था कि वो सुपरवाइज करे, बॉसिंग करे और बाकी जो उसके आसपास लोग हैं वो उसके साथ काम करे. The narrator started packing. It seemed a longer job than he had thought it would going to be. At last, he finished packing. But Harris told him that he had not packed the boots. He opened the bag and packed the boot in. Then, when he was going to close it, an idea came to him. He was not sure whether he had packed his toothbrush. So he unpacked the bag and took everything out, but could not find the toothbrush. Then he shook everything one by one. At last, he found a toothbrush in a boot. He repacked once more. Now George asked him if he had packed the soap. He decided not to do the packing again, but he found that he had packed his spectacles in it. So he reopened the bag and repacked it. So it was 3 times he had unpacked and repacked. The author was able to complete the packing at 10:05 p.m. George and Harris said that they were not satisfied with the packing done by the author, so they decided to do it themselves. But they created chaos while packing things. So George and Harris, they were packing the hamper, that is the food basket. They started packing with breaking a cup. The Harris packed the strawberry jam on the top of tomato and squashed it. George trod on the butter. They put things and could not find them when they wanted them. They packed the pies at the bottom and put heavy things on top and smashed the pies. Harris found butter sticking to the sole of George's slipper. He got the butter off the slipper and put it on a chair. Harris sat on the butter and it stuck to him. They started looking for it all over the room. Then suddenly George saw it on the back of Harris. When they finally found it, they packed it in the teapot. Their dog increased the confusion. He thought lemons to be rats and chased them. He put his leg in the jam and spoiled it. After a tiring packing session, they decided the time to get up for the next morning, and George dozes off before engaging in this conversation. In the end, Jerome and Harris mark 6:30 a.m. as the wake up time and go off to sleep. So my dear children, here we end with this theory. Hope you have understood. The conclusion of this theory is packing is based on the theme that routine tasks are not as easy as they seem to be. The humorous account amuses the readers with the chaotic and confusing situations created by the clumsiness of three friends, all of whom consider packing to be the child's play. The moral of this story is never boast about yourself. Let your actions speak for you. Don't praise yourself on your own. We should not be lazy. Okay? So this is the conclusion, moral and the theme of the lesson. So my dear children, it's time to say you thank you for watching the video. Any doubt, please do call me up. Thank you so much.